Hi everyone and welcome back. Your iPhone normally turns on low power mode at 20%, but today I'll show you how to make it turn on at any percentage you want, like 50%, 60, or even 70%. Let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app. At the bottom, tap Automation. On the top right, tap the plus icon, then choose Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and tap Battery Level. Here you can choose equals 50, rises about 50, falls below 50, or change the percentage to the one that you want. I'll choose falls below 50%. Make sure Run Immediately is turned on so you don't get a pop-up each time. Tap Next, then tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Set Low Power Mode. Choose Set Low Power Mode, keep it set to turn low power mode on. Tap Done. And that's it. Your iPhone will now automatically turn on low power mode whenever it goes below 50%. Now let's make low power mode turn off automatically, for example, when the battery rises above 50%. Normally the iPhone does this when it gets to 80% or above 80%. Now repeat the same steps. Go to Automation, create Personal Automation, and tap Battery Level again. This time choose Rises above 50%, enable Run Immediately, tap Next, Add Action, search for Low Power Mode again, select Set Low Power Mode, and set it to Off. Tap Done. Now, low power mode will automatically turn off when your iPhone goes above 50% or any percentage you choose. And that's how you take full control of low power mode on your iPhone. If this helped, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.